In the bustling ecosystem of project management software, there are countless tools vying for attention. Many organizations lean heavily on the Microsoft suite for their daily operations, utilizing Outlook for email, Teams for communication, and Excel for data analysis. Given this widespread reliance, it's natural to wonder if other popular tools seamlessly integrate or even originate from the Microsoft powerhouse. This often leads to a common question when discussing work management platforms. Is Smartsheet a Microsoft tool? As a project management expert, I can tell you definitively, no, Smartsheet is not a Microsoft tool, nor is it owned by Microsoft. Smartsheet is an independent, publicly traded, though as of January 2025, it was taken private by Blackstone Incorporated and Vista Equity Partners, company that develops and markets its own cloud-based work management platform. It was founded in 2005 in Bellevue, Washington, and has grown to become a significant player in the collaborative work management space. While Smartsheet is not part of the Microsoft family, its relationship with Microsoft is incredibly important and strategic. Smartsheet understands that a vast number of its users operate within the Microsoft ecosystem. Therefore, they have heavily invested in creating robust and seamless integrations with various Microsoft applications. This means that while they are separate entities, they are designed to work together effectively, creating a powerful combination for businesses. Let's explore this crucial distinction and the nature of their relationship. Smartsheet, an independent powerhouse. Smartsheet's core offering is its cloud-based platform that allows teams to plan, track, manage, automate, and report on work. Its interface, which often resembles a spreadsheet, makes it intuitive for many users, particularly those accustomed to tools like Excel. However, Smartsheet goes far beyond a simple spreadsheet, offering advanced project management features like Gantt charts, Kanban boards, dashboards, automated workflows, and resource management. The company itself has its own leadership, development teams, and strategic direction, entirely independent of Microsoft. Smartsheet has its own customer base, its own product roadmap, and makes its own decisions about acquisitions and partnerships. In fact, as of early 2025, Smartsheet completed an $8.40 billion acquisition by private equity firms Blackstone Incorporated and Vista Equity Partners, further solidifying its independent trajectory outside of public ownership. The strategic partnership, better together. Despite not being owned by Microsoft, Smartsheet recognizes the pervasive use of Microsoft 365, formerly Office 365, in businesses worldwide. To serve its customers effectively and enhance user experience, Smartsheet has built strong integration points with popular Microsoft applications. This partnership is mutually beneficial. Microsoft users gain enhanced project and work management capabilities, and Smartsheet can extend its reach to a massive audience already familiar with Microsoft tools. Here's how Smartsheet integrates with key Microsoft applications. Microsoft Teams. This is one of the most critical integrations for modern project teams. Smartsheet allows users to embed Smartsheet sheets, reports, and dashboards directly into Microsoft Teams channels. This means team members can view project progress, update tasks, and collaborate on Smartsheet items without leaving their team's environment. Notifications from Smartsheet can also appear directly in Teams, keeping everyone informed. Microsoft Outlook. The Smartsheet for Outlook add-in allows users to turn emails into actionable items in Smartsheet. You can create new rows in a sheet directly from an email, attach email content or attachments to existing tasks, and receive Smartsheet notifications within your Outlook inbox. This is invaluable for converting communication into trackable work. OneDrive and SharePoint. Smartsheet integrates seamlessly with Microsoft's cloud storage solutions. You can easily attach files from OneDrive or SharePoint directly to rows or tasks in Smartsheet, ensuring that all relevant project documents are linked to their associated work items. This centralizes information and prevents version control issues. Microsoft Excel. Many users transition to Smartsheet from Excel. Smartsheet supports importing data from Excel spreadsheets, allowing teams to quickly migrate existing project plans or data. You can also export Smartsheet data to Excel for further analysis or reporting if needed. Power BI. For advanced reporting and business intelligence, Smartsheet can connect with Microsoft Power BI. This allows users to pull data from Smartsheet into Power BI to create highly customized dashboards and reports, offering deeper insights into project performance and operational metrics. Azure Active Directory, now Microsoft Entra ID for enterprise-level deployments. Smartsheet supports single sign-on SSO with Microsoft Entra ID. This simplifies user management and enhances security, allowing users to log into Smartsheet using their existing Microsoft credentials. Microsoft Project. While Smartsheet is often seen as an alternative to Microsoft Project, they can also work together. Smartsheet allows for importing and exporting data in Microsoft Project XML format, facilitating data exchange between the two platforms if an organization uses both. Microsoft 365 Copilot. Smartsheet is also working to integrate with Microsoft's AI tools, such as Copilot, enabling users to leverage AI for searching and interacting with Smartsheet content from within the Microsoft ecosystem. Why this distinction matters for project managers. Understanding that Smartsheet is an independent tool with strong Microsoft integrations is crucial for project managers because it impacts several strategic decisions. Software stack decisions. You don't need to be fully committed to the Microsoft ecosystem to use Smartsheet. It works well with Google Workspace, Slack, Jira, and many other popular tools. However, if your organization is heavily invested in Microsoft 365, Smartsheet's integrations provide significant added value, creating a more cohesive work environment. Scalability and flexibility. Smartsheet offers a robust, dedicated platform for work management, often providing more flexibility and ease of use for collaborative work than what native Microsoft tools, like Excel or basic Teams project tracking, might offer for complex projects. Vendor relationship. Your relationship and support will be directly with Smartsheet, not Microsoft, for the Smartsheet product itself. Feature set. While Microsoft has its own project management tools, like Microsoft Project and Planner, Smartsheet often offers a different approach to work management, blending the familiarity of a spreadsheet with powerful collaborative and automation features that appeal to a wide range of users, from business users to project managers.